Unraveling, believe you me, mastering English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a unique and intriguing phrase, believe you me. This expression might sound a bit odd at first, but it's a wonderful example of the richness and variety of the English language. Stick around to understand not just what it means, but also how and when to use it in your conversations. Believe you me is an idiomatic expression that emphasizes the truthfulness or sincerity of what the speaker is saying. It's a way of assuring the listener that the speaker is being honest and that they can trust the information being shared. Interestingly, this phrase flips the usual subject-verb-object order of English sentences to object-subject-verb, which is not common in standard English grammar. This inversion is what gives the phrase its emphatic tone. While the exact origin of "believe you me" is a bit murky, it's generally agreed that it's a colloquial expression that has been used in English for several centuries. It harks back to a time when English syntax was more flexible, allowing such inversions for emphasis. This phrase has survived into modern English largely in informal contexts, showcasing the language's ability to evolve while retaining elements of its past. Using "believe you me" is best reserved for informal settings or conversations. It's a great way to add emphasis or assurance in a friendly discussion but might be considered too informal or out of place in formal writing or speeches. Here are a few examples of how it can be used. Believe you me, that was the best movie I've seen this year. You're going to love this restaurant. Believe you me. Remember, while it's a fun and emphatic expression, its unusual structure means it should be used sparingly and in the right contexts to avoid confusion or sounding overly dramatic. Believe you me is a fascinating glimpse into the versatility and history of the English language. It reminds us that language is not just about rules and structures but also about expression, emphasis, and personal touch. We hope this video has shed some light on this unique phrase and perhaps even inspired you to try it out in your own conversations. Thank you for watching, and believe you me, we're always here to help you navigate the intriguing world of English language learning. See you in the next video.